Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 amazing car gadgets that can upgrade your driving experience, improve safety, and make your car smarter. Make sure you watch till the end, because these gadgets are truly worth it. The AUX-Beam RGB8 gang switch panel is a powerful and organized way to control multiple vehicle accessories from one place. It allows you to manage up to 8 different devices, such as LED light bars, fog lights, air compressors, or other off-road equipment. The panel features customizable RGB backlighting, making it easy to see and use both day and night. This system supports toggle, momentary, and pulse switch modes, giving you flexible control depending on your setup. It works completely without an app, so everything responds instantly with physical buttons you can rely on. With support for both one-sided and two-sided outlets, installation stays clean and adaptable for different vehicle layouts. It's an excellent upgrade for drivers who want safer, cleaner, and more professional control of their car accessories. Meet the Baciacid Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, portable, and versatile tool for keeping your car spotless. Its T-shaped body provides the perfect grip for comfortable, easy handling. With up to 5,000 pascals maximum suction power, it easily removes dust, crumbs, and debris from seats, carpets, and tight spaces. This cleaner is multifunctional. Use the air blow nozzles and air pump function for cleaning vents, inflating tires, or removing dirt from hard-to-reach areas. It also comes with multifunctional nozzles to tackle every cleaning job. Lightweight, cordless, and easy to store, the Baciacid Car Vacuum Cleaner makes cleaning fast, efficient, and hassle-free. Discover every hidden detail with the Teslung TD450S articulating borescope, featuring a 4.5-inch IPS screen and 1080p HD camera for crystal-clear inspections. The camera offers a maximum rotation angle of 210 degrees, allowing you to view tight spaces from multiple angles, while 8 built-in LEDs provide bright, clear visibility even in complete darkness. With a 5.5mm mini lens, it easily fits into narrow areas, compared to the standard 8.5mm lens, giving you more access without compromise. The stainless steel braided body provides strength, flexibility, and durability, while the stainless steel snake bone ensures precise control. A waterproof layer makes it resistant to oil and water, meeting IP67 standards. IT comes with a 32GB TF card for easy recording and supports 8 languages, including English, Russian, Chinese, and Japanese, making it versatile for global users. The Auxito 2025 upgraded LED headlight bulbs are designed to deliver extremely bright and reliable lighting for safer night driving. With up to 30,000 lumens of output, these bulbs provide a powerful, clear beam that significantly improves road visibility in both high and low beam modes. They are compatible with popular sizes like H11, H8, 9005 HB3, and 9006, making them suitable for many vehicles. These headlights feature built-in CAN-bus technology, which helps eliminate flickering and dashboard error warnings. The turbo-style cooling system ensures stable performance and long lifespan, even during extended use. Easy to install and built for modern vehicles, the Auxito LED headlights are a strong upgrade for drivers who want brighter light, better safety, and dependable performance on the road. Upgrade your car security with the ASDOM M550 Pro Dash Cam, offering multiple recording options for every driver. Record in single front UHD 4K 1080p, dual front and rear UHD 4K 1080p, or triple front, cabin, and rear QHD 2K 1080p 1080p for complete coverage. Hidden infrared LED lights enhance night vision, keeping your drive safe in the dark. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, you can track your route, record driving history, and monitor your vehicle in real time. Enjoy 24/7 1 frame per second time-lapse, collision detection, loop recording, and support for up to 256GB cards at 30 fps. Powered by a supercapacitor, the M550 Pro is reliable, durable, and perfect for any journey. So that's it for today's video. Which car gadget did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car gadgets and upgrades. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.